What's going on, everybody? Mike G here, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about what you need to do to continue filling out your YouTube account. Now, as soon as you create the actual account, I have a few videos you can go and look up here. I'm going to leave a link on how to change your YouTube profile photo, which is this little circle right here, and your channel, it'll pop up. But today, what I want to do is I just want to show you pretty much the things that you need to set up once you get your account created. So what you're going to do is you come under here under your dashboard and you scroll down to settings. Click on settings. Then over here we're going to go to channel. We click channel and they'll give a variety of different settings that you can go to. I have another video which I'll also leave a link up here for branding. And right here, you can put a subscribe watermark on your channel at the end of the video, whenever you want it, or the entire video. But we're not going to get into that. I'm going to leave the link up here. You can go and check it out if you want to. Right now, what we're going to talk about is adding in some keywords. We want to add in some keywords. So depending on what your channel is about, you're going to put in some keywords that will let people know what they're looking for in your channel. Anytime somebody types this in, your channel will come up. You want your channel to come up in the search engine when people are searching for these words. So I want to put in the keyword editing. I want to put in YouTube creators. I want to put in editing with Adobe, video editing, YouTube video creation, how to start a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to add all these keywords in there, and you can go back and add to that or take away from it later, but I'm just going to start with a couple little basic words right there that are describing my channel, and I'm going to hit save. So I have some keywords on there. All right, another thing that you want to do is you want to come over here to monetization. You want to click on monetization. Okay, so it's loading. Now it tells me right here, there are two stipulations that you need. Right here, it says that you need 1,000 subscribers, and over here you need 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, my channel, I just started a few days ago. So it started at 15, I have 15 subscribers, and here I have 4 hours of watch time. So, all right, I'm like at 1% or 0.1%. But anyway, this lets you know what you need to do here. All right, next we're gonna go back to the settings over here. Okay, back to channel. Okay, let's take a look over here. Feature eligibility. Features that require phone verification. Okay, we click down here. This is important. These features are available if your channel is free of active community guideline strikes and you verify your phone number with us. So, videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, appealing content ID claims. So if you want to get these things, which are very important on your channel, if you want to grow your channel, you definitely want to be able to have videos that are over 15 minutes. You want to be able to make custom thumbnails, and you definitely want to be able to go live streaming. Appealing content ID claims. Not really sure what that is yet, but YouTube is always changing. On my last channel, they didn't have it like that. But I'm going to verify my number here, and I'm going to go ahead and get that approved. And then what you're going to do once you do that is you're going to come over here. How should we deliver the verification code to you? Text me the verification code, call me with an automated voice message. So I'm just going to hit the text me a verification code. Which language should we use? What is your phone number? And then you just type your phone number in here. And then submit. And make sure you look right here. Important. Up to 2 accounts can be verified per phone number per year. So you can open 2 accounts per year with that phone number. A text message with your verification code has been sent to this number. Please enter your 6-digit verification code. And we go over here to my Google account, email. Oh no, this is text. Let me go over here to my text. Okay. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Continue. Okay, and we'll look over here. You have up to 3 copyright strikes. I have 0 of 3. I haven't committed any strikes. Uploading enabled, monetization eligible. I'm going to click enable. You want to go ahead and click it to be enabled for when it's time for you to monetize. And it takes me back here again. So let me get back out of here. YouTube Studio, let me click out of there. Okay, it's enabled. Live streaming, we're going to click here, enable. Ready in 24 hours, learn more. Okay, let's take a look through here. Get started live streaming, enable live streaming. To live stream, you need to have no live streaming restrictions in the past 90 days, and you need to verify your channel. Okay, well, that's what we just did. We just verified our channel. Click yes, it was helpful. We're gonna get back out of there. Let's X out of here. Okay. Everything else we're not eligible for. Embed live streams, ineligible. Okay, longer videos. We just got that approved. Unlisted and private videos, custom thumbnails. We just approved that with the phone number, and we approved live streaming. So if you want to be able to do all those things, you have to add your number in there. You can leave it private. Nobody's going to see your number. That's up to you. Return to YouTube Studio. Okay, we'll go back to settings, go back to channel, go back to feature eligibility. Okay, this is all done. Now we'll look at advanced settings. Now this is another thing you want to check out. Audience. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Now, my understanding of this is you can choose how you want to do it. If you have videos that some are made for kids and some are not, you can put, I want to review this setting for each individual video. Me personally, I just hit no because it's a lot of different settings involved. When you hit yes, the monetization is different. So I just hit no because I'm not putting up kid videos. I'm advertising to people for something that's more of a business aspect to it. So if you want your channel to produce more on what you get paid based on your advertisements, for me, it's better to hit no. So you have to decide for your channel what's better. I'm going to click save, and that's already set up. So those are some basic things that you want to do when you're starting your channel. You want to go over there, check out your settings, check out your monetization. You want to be able to enable your live streaming. You want to be able to enable that you can do more than 15 minutes. Those things are really important. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick little tip for today. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe so that you can get updates on everything that I'm doing as I'm showing you how to create the YouTube channel and edit videos and improve your channel. And I'll see you the next time I make another video.